Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the class 10th answered science for Karnataka State Board SSLC passing package of science. This is Pariksha Diksochi SSLC. This is the material which is being prepared for the SSLC students to face the upcoming board exam as per the revised reduced syllabus for the academic year 2020-2021. Okay, see children, this material has been prepared from the Directorate of Minorities. Okay, and I am very thankful for these peoples who are coordinated, and with the help of these peoples this material has been prepared. Okay, as you can see, the SSLC this year, the blueprint will be as follows. Part A physics will carry 28 marks, chemistry will carry 25 marks, biology will carry 27 marks. So this will be the design of the final exam board question paper. Children, this is the final board exam question paper blueprint pattern. Physics carries total 28 marks, chemistry carries 25 marks, and biology carries 27 marks. And let me see how the marks are distributed. Children, as you all knows it, or I doesn't know whether you know this concept or not, from the previous year they have removed the chapter wise marks distribution. Instead of that, they have given theme wise. You can see these are the number of chapters which comes under this theme, that is materials in daily life. In this theme, the chapters are going to be covered: acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, carbonates, compounds, periodic classification of elements. These all set of chapters together, it carries 25 marks. Is this clear? Good. Next, world of living. As you can see, life process, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution. This set of chapters carries 22 marks. Next, natural phenomena. That is unit number 3, theme number 3. In this, only one chapter comes, that is the chapter light. It carries completely 8 marks. So remember children, the chapter light you will be getting for 8 marks. Next, how do things work? Electricity, magnetic effect of electric current. This sum of these chapters, total marks will be 17. Okay, from these 2 chapters you get 17 marks. Next, natural resources, that is sources of energy, our environment, sustainable management of natural resources. From these 3 chapters you get 8 marks. So total will be 80 marks. So this is what the marks distribution of your upcoming final board exam. Okay, now let me see the 2021 question paper design. As you can see here, the knowledge is 20% marks will going to come, that is 16 marks. Understanding 55%, that is 44 marks. Application level is 5 marks, that is 5%, that is 4 marks. Skill is 20%, that is 16 marks. Skill is nothing but drawing. So you will be getting the drawing questions. You need to draw for 16 marks. It is very easy to score, and even 16 and 44 is also very easy. Now this year, as you can see, application level is only 5%. So children, you no need to think if any question comes indirectly, if they ask like this, that how I can solve. Children, compared to the previous year, this year they have reduced the application level. Okay, percentage. Only 4 marks you get application level questions, nothing else. You no need to focus so much on the application type questions. As you can see here, the concept is very easy and simple. So here total is 80 marks. As you can see, easy level, that is 40%, average level is 50%, difficult level is 10%. Exam question paper pattern. So I hope this all everyone knows it, because already you people have seen the KSEB model question paper. And important diagrams for practice. So these are the diagrams you need to practice as follows. As you can see, only these are the diagrams which is there for you people for this academic year board exam. Okay, I hope you all can see the number of diagrams and the drawings. So this is what you are supposed to draw. Children, if you are finding any difficulty to draw any diagram, you can please let me know in the below comment box. Definitely I will suggest you how you can draw in an easiest way. Okay, if you find any doubts, you can comment me below. So these are the number of drawings and the diagrams which you are supposed to draw for your upcoming final board exam. You need to practice those all drawings. Children, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Okay, so that you can find the latest updates and notifications from our end. Is this clear? Good. And also try to share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates, and also for your juniors. You can also recommend them to follow our channel for your juniors. So definitely it is one of the benefit for you both. Anyways, physics passing package, electricity. So you can just go through these questions. These are the important areas the questions can be asked for you all. Similarly, we have followed all the chapters. So these are the important areas the questions can be reflected in your final exam board question paper. So this is very important topic, as you can see here. And here we have given, first we have given the brief information about the chapter, then now we are covering the important questions with answers, as you can see here. So I want you have to follow these all question answers, and even these problems you need to solve. So, and next, coming back to magnetic effect of electric current, I can just tell you that this is just a passing package. So definitely the one who is going to follow this material as well this class, definitely he can clear the board exam. The one who wants to score in the upcoming board exam, then definitely you have to practice this as well. You need to study other materials and sources also. Again, I am reflecting this, only by studying this much you cannot score out of 8 marks. If any student have an intention that they want to score out of 8 marks, that is 80 out of 80, if not 70 plus or 75 plus out of 80, then definitely you need to practice the other chapters also. Okay, I just don't like to waste your much time. So in this way we are just covered the entire material. Okay, as I can tell you that some questions we are going to give from our end, which we prepare from our Evershan coaching center, and some papers we have, after we collect the information from outside sources also, we are putting into our channel. Okay, so this is the material which is not prepared from our institute, it is prepared from the other authorities and the senior resource persons which we have given here in our channel. Just our intention is we want to give the right materials for the students. Okay, just by keeping that an intention, that materials should be followed in a correct manner. The right materials has to be given for the children's. For that purpose we are introducing these topics and these materials through our channel. We just want to help each and every student. Children, I hope this material is very helpful and it will be very useful for you people for your upcoming board exam. Please go through this material once. Okay, still we will be coming back with other material sources through other sources as well, what we prepare from our coaching center. We will be uploading into our channel. You can use it, solve it. Okay, I hope this class is very interesting and you have got the benefit from our class and through the channel. If you have liked this class, do not forget to click the like button. Do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Okay, thank you. Keep watching to our channel. I hope the concept is very clear for you all. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, keep watching to our channel to get the latest updates and notifications and important exam updates and passing packages. Thank you one and all for watching this video. Wish you all the best of luck once again. Be safe, be at home.